Windows 11 is packed with hidden features and powerful tools that most users never use. Some of them can make your PC easier to use and more productive. In this video, I'll show you some of the best ones, where to find them, and what you can actually do with them. Let's get started. The first hidden feature is Enable Eye Control. Most Windows 11 users have never noticed this option because it's buried inside the accessibility settings. But it's actually one of the most advanced accessibility tools Microsoft has built into Windows. To find it, open Settings. Go to Accessibility. Scroll down, and click Eye Control. Now, it's important to know that this feature doesn't work with a regular webcam. It requires a compatible eye tracking device, such as a Tobii eye tracker, that can accurately detect your eye movements. Once it's set up, you can control your PC using only your eyes. You can move the cursor, click, type, scroll, and open apps without touching a mouse or keyboard. It's mainly designed for users with limited mobility, but it's also one of the most impressive hidden accessibility features in Windows 11. Even if you don't need it every day, it's definitely one of those hidden Windows features that's worth knowing about. The second hidden tool is Discover Optional Windows Features. First, open Settings. Go to System, scroll down, and click on Optional Features. The first option, View or Edit Optional Features, lets you install or remove built-in Windows components like XPS Viewer, OpenSSH, and other optional tools. It's a quick way to unlock useful tools that aren't installed by default. Below that, Optional Features History shows a list of features that have been installed or removed on your PC, making it easy to track recent changes and see when new components were added. And finally, More Windows Features opens the classic Windows Features window, where you can enable advanced components like Hyper-V, Windows Sandbox, Windows Subsystem for Linux, and more. It's a great place to unlock powerful Windows features that many users never discover, helping you get more functionality out of your PC without installing extra software. The third feature is Open Programs and Features. First, open the Run dialog box by pressing Windows +R on your keyboard, and type this. Then press Enter. This will instantly open the Programs and Features window, where you can see all the programs installed on your PC. Just like in the Settings app, you can easily uninstall, change, or repair an application from here. Simply select the program, then click on the option you want. This method is very useful when you want quick access without going through multiple menus in Settings. It's also helpful if your Settings app is slow or not responding, or if you're using an older version of Windows where this interface is more reliable. Many IT professionals prefer this method because it's faster, direct, and works on almost all Windows versions. The hidden feature number 4 is Turn on Dynamic Lock. This feature can automatically lock your PC when you move away from it. To enable it, open Settings, then go to Accounts, and click on Sign In Options. Now scroll down until you find Dynamic Lock, and enable the option that says, Allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you're away. To make this work, your phone needs to be connected to your PC through Bluetooth. For example, let's quickly turn on Bluetooth and connect our phone to the PC. And as you can see, it now says, Connected, which means everything is paired correctly and Dynamic Lock is ready to work. Once everything is connected, Windows will automatically lock your computer when your phone goes out of range. This is a simple but very useful security feature, especially if you often leave your PC unattended, work in shared spaces, or simply want an extra layer of protection for your personal files and data. The next Windows 11 feature you should know is Enable God Mode. First, go to your desktop. Right-click anywhere. Then click on New Folder. Now rename the folder exactly like this. I will make it on the description. Once you press enter, you'll notice the folder icon changes automatically. Now open it. And yeah, you now have access to hundreds of advanced Windows settings in one place. Everything from administrative tools, autoplay settings, backup and restore options, color management, credential manager, default apps, device and printer settings, file explorer options, indexing options, mouse and keyboard settings, network and sharing tools, power options, recovery tools, troubleshooting features, user accounts, Windows firewall settings, and much more, all organized in one place. This feature is especially useful if you want faster access to important Windows settings, troubleshoot system problems more efficiently, manage devices and networks, customize performance options, or simply have more control over your PC. Instead of wasting time searching through different menus and settings pages, everything is neatly organized in one place for quicker and easier access. You can pin this folder to your Start menu or keep it on your desktop for instant access anytime. And don't worry, if you ever want to remove it, just delete the folder normally. It won't affect your PC at all. And that's it, simple, powerful, and one of the most useful hidden features in Windows 11. Up next, we have Use Volum Mixer. First, go to the sound icon at the bottom right corner of the taskbar. Then right-click on it and select Open Volum Mixer. Here, Windows will show you all the apps that are currently running on your PC. And as you can see, in my case I have System Sounds, Google Chrome, Snipping Tool, and Spotify. Now you can individually control the volume level of each application separately. For example, you can lower Spotify's volume while keeping Chrome louder, or completely mute a specific app without affecting the others. You can also click on any app to choose a different speaker, headset, or microphone for it. This gives you more control over how each application uses your audio devices. At the bottom, you'll also find a reset option that instantly restores all audio settings and volume levels back to their default state. This can be useful if your sound settings get messed up or something stops working correctly. And at the top, you also have the master volume control, which lets you adjust the overall sound of your system from here. This feature is extremely useful when working with multiple apps at the same time, especially if you're listening to music, attending meetings, watching videos, or recording content on your PC. It can really improve your workflow and help you avoid unnecessary distractions while using your computer. And the hidden tool number 7 is Control your RGB lighting. Go to Settings, then Personalization, and open Dynamic Lighting. If you have compatible RGB devices, Windows 11 lets you control their lighting directly from settings, no third-party software required. The first option, Use Dynamic Lighting on my devices, enables Windows to manage the RGB lighting on your compatible devices from one central place. Right below it, Compatible apps in the foreground always control lighting allows supported apps and games to temporarily take control of your RGB effects while they're running. Turn it off if you want Windows to keep full control of your lighting at all times. It's a simple but powerful feature that keeps all your RGB settings organized and eliminates the need for multiple lighting applications. And that's it. These are some of the best hidden features and tools built into Windows 11. If you discovered something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.